one guy who's gonna be pretty pissed about this whole betrayal thing.
And who is that?
Ah, just some cop.
What the hell is he doing?
What the is he doing?